Hi, welcome to my channel ZK Tech Solution. And one of my friends asked me how to upload a project on GitHub from Google Colab. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. This is our project on Google Colab, Smart Home Automation System, and this is our project. This is our GitHub profile, and we need to upload this one to get into this, right? So click on File, Copy, Save a copy in GitHub. Select our repositories. So look at this. We have two repositories. One is Code Alpha Task and the other one is Data Science Mini Project. And I'm going to upload our project under this repository, right? So select the repository, Data Science Mini Project, and branch name. Yep, right? Main branch. This is the branch. So click on OK. Boom. Here we go. Our project has been uploaded on GitHub, and we can open our project in Colab from from GitHub, right? Right? Click on this button, open Colab, and here we go. So it has been uploaded. If you have any questions, comment on my video and like this video if you like it, right? So have a great day. Goodbye.